Hello. So I decided to make a little cooking video, and yeah, let's see how it goes. In this video, I'm making pinto beans with some bacon in it. So yeah, let's get into it. I just decided to make this because I had pinto beans and I had bacon. I'm like, why not? Clip right here, I'm just cutting up some onions and garlic that's gonna obviously go in the beans. Okay, I don't know why I just said that, but bear with me, this is my first video. All right, now we're gonna get into it actually. All right, so now this is my bacon. It was frozen and kind of like poured some boiling water over it to thaw it out, but whatever. So you just break up the bacon with your fingers, like I'm doing, a little finger shredding, and then yeah, get it to whatever size you need it to be. Now I have some olive oil because it just makes me feel healthy even though I'm about to fry some bacon, and I'm pouring it in the pot as you can see and just heat it up. Now I'm gonna put my onions and garlic that I chopped up earlier in the video, and I had a little piece of thyme that I wanted to throw in there for some flavor, and I'm just gonna saute them around and let them cook for a little bit. Now the onions and the garlic have cooked down a little bit. You can start to smell it, you know. I'm gonna add in my bacon to cook along with them. So while the onions and the garlic and the bacon are all cooking up together, I have my dried pinto beans, and you see me rinsing them there. Quick fact, I actually rinsed them better before, but the camera wasn't on, so I just pretended to rinse them again really quick. There's the bacon and the whatnots cooking up in the pot. All right, so I'm going to turn the pot off. Now you're gonna see me decide where I want the pot to go. Any day now. Okay. Now I'm going to add the dried pinto beans into my pot with my bacon and goods in there. Oh yeah, and if the original pot has too much grease in there, you can just move everything to a different pot. You'll probably still get the same results, but yeah, mine was fine, so I just added the dried beans right in. Gave everything a little stir, and now it's time to add the seasoning. I'm all about flavor, so I'm going to be adding in a bunch of stuff. So first I got the black pepper going. Now I got the onion powder. Some oregano leaves. Paprika, boom. I showed everything to the camera, so I'm pretty sure you can see it, but I'm still going to say it. That was cayenne pepper. Now see, this one, I don't really know how to say it. Cumin? I think it's cumin. Okay, so once you have all your seasoning in, you just mix everything together. Okay, so once you mix everything together, you can put your pot back on the burner and turn it on. And then you want to pour water in. I didn't really measure the water, but you want enough to cover the beans, and as you're cooking, if you need more, you can just add more in. Oh yeah, and I turned the burner on high, and you'll see why in the next clip. Okay, and we're back. So now that the water is boiling, if you notice when I was seasoning, I didn't use any salt, and that's because I like to use these. Wow, these flavor cubes. This one is chicken flavored. They have different ones like beef, I know they have. But yeah, they're pretty salty to me, so I usually don't use salt, but if I feel like I need salt after the cube, then I'll use it. So your water has to be boiling for it to dissolve in there, and you just mix it around until it dissolves. Alright, and once the flavor cube dissolves in the water, you can lower the heat on the stove. In this clip here, I checked. Mom! Mom! In the last clip, I was adding water because I looked and saw that I needed water. Okay, so in this clip, I'm going to be adding in some tomato paste. The reason mine looks like that is because it was frozen, so yeah. Alright, so this is a finished product. This is what the beans look like when they are done. I did have to remove a little bit of the liquid, which is fine. I just used a soup ladle and took some out. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a side dish, so you can pair it with whatever. Personally, I was feeling lazy, so I hit up my Uncle Ben because he always has ready rice. Thanks for watching. Mom, pray for me trying to do voiceovers in this household. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and try the recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!